Cube. This is a real Rubik's Cube. Okay, here, go ahead, solve it. All right, this I gotta see. Is there like a way to do it, or is there, do you know, how do you know?
You have to use the algorithms or something, right?
How old are you? What's an algorithm?
8.
What's an algorithm?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead, solve it.
What is it? Here it is.
My favorite to me is this middle finger.
Master Cubic.
The student surpasses the teacher. That's all.
The what?
The student surpasses
I know.
the teacher.
These are supposed to be incredibly difficult.
Well, I think Curtis had one, or someone had one in our house, and I took all the stickers off. That's all I solved it. I'm like, he's like, can you do one? I'm like, huh? Let's take the stickers off.
Black and black and black and black. Have you seen, there's like YouTube, there's worldwide, there's international competitions on people solving them really fast. And solving multiples
And there's some underwater.
like 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 10 of them. And they go all over the world and people can do them in
But
like
doesn't that
My
something?
husband works with a guy that's like that. He's got like 15 different Rubik's
Yeah,
cubes
there's so
on
many.
his table, and there's like this big ball one, and
Yeah,
there's like
so many.
there's
You know
one
what?
with like little teeny
It seems
tiny.
like brains,
The Mega
like different
Mix?
people's brains are.
I remember that we watched that video that
some
night
people
doing
are
it
I think they're quite
underwater.
smart. I think it has something to do
Yeah,
with
it's like
smart.
she goes by his office, messes them all up, and when he comes back like an hour,
8
they're
years
all
old?
solved.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, every time he's just like, ugh.
Like, I don't have patience to even figure it out.
It's not even patience. I think it's the way you're wired. I really, really do. It's got to be. Because, I mean, I've sat with these for
I know, me
hours,
too.
and it just gets all mixed up to me. It just makes no sense. But clearly, there's a way to do it. What? I can't believe you did this. I honestly am absolutely shocked.
about 5 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
Are you guys as shocked as me? Like, am I the only one that
What was
thinks
your
this
record?
is...
A minute 50 and
No, 46.
Holy jeez.
a minute
Like,
40.
he's 8 years old. Like,
I need to go back to yeah.
Wow.
And does anybody even know what an algorithm is? I don't.
Oh no.